Well, after my mother found me, she had a feeling that she knew maybe where my father was, and we had lots of trouble getting there because all the people, refugees were moving, the army was moving, and when she went from truck to truck, no, they didn't want to take us, but one took us in the direction she wanted to go. And then we slept on the station, and next morning in the dripping rain, we walked to the camp where she thought he was, and we asked the not lifeguard, the guard, from the name of my father, behind barbed wire they were, and there were barracks, and he said wait, and we waited, and sure enough my father did come with a uniform for the type of prisoners they were, and behind him was sort of another figure in a uniform with a special kind of hat, and my mother said, can't be, but it was. My brother had arrived too shortly before, because they all went in one direction, and you knew some of those new camps. So after that, because of the good connections that my father had, they were allowed to live with us as refugees outside of the camp, but it was forced residence. That means you have to say when you go somewhere, you don't just go anywhere you want. And then we had some very tough years because there was less and less food, and my mother grew some of the food, my brother and I. We helped with a piece of land, and we lived with farmers, tenant farmers, so they were very poor.